You need certain things to survive: food, water, and a home. You can find all those things where you live. Animals and plants need to be able to find the things they need to live too. And they can, in their habitat. A habitat is a place where plants and animals live. This is a woodland forest habitat. A woodland forest is a habitat with lots of trees. The trees that make up the forest are able to get everything they need: soil, water, sunlight, and animals. Speaking of animals, many different animals can find everything they need in woodland forest habitats. Birds, insects, and worms too. Bears also live in woodland forests. This is a hot desert habitat. You probably won't see any bears here, but you will see plants and animals that can live in a place that can get very hot and has little water. Camels live in hot deserts. Camels are able to find everything they need in a hot desert habitat. Hot desert habitats are also home for snakes, lizards, tortoises, and scorpions. But what kind of plants can live in a hot and dry habitat? Cacti live in hot desert habitats. A cactus stores water, so it has everything it needs in this habitat. This is a cold desert habitat. No cacti here, but there are plants and animals that can live in a very cold and dry place like this. Polar bears can find food, water, and shelter in a cold desert. Cold deserts are home to other animals as well. Arctic fox and penguins are able to find everything they need in this cold, dry habitat. But what about plants? The Arctic poppy lives in cold desert habitats, and you might see these little purple flowers peeking through the snow. So far, we've looked at plants and animals that live on land. What about water habitats? Ocean habitats are full of life. When you think of an ocean habitat, what do you think of? Fish? Sea turtles? Dolphins? Coral? How about an octopus? They get everything they need to live from their ocean habitat. Ponds are a different kind of water habitat with different kinds of plants and animals. Pond habitats have fish, but they are different than the fish in an ocean habitat. These fish need the fresh water of a pond to live. They can find food and shelter in a pond habitat too. You may also find frogs, insects, and water lilies getting all that they need to live in a pond habitat. What kind of habitats are near you?